Don't speak on the radio. No, let's go to so if you're concerned about these people, all these people are not going to be on radio. We will pay to go and speak on the radio here. Let us go and speak. The radio management also says, yeah, but we have a receipt from them. And we paid money. So are you the spokesperson of the radio? We paid. No, the radio station. They are not aware you are being how can they say
book venues to be at? We did book to be at a radio station. How do you as police say, because I saw Wawire, who is an RPC of Mukono, by the way, we met him in Mukono. We had a confrontation with him in Mukono. Now we are meeting him this side. I don't know how. And he's saying, I don't know, your management of the radio station does not know about your being on the radio station. I said, but we have got a receipt. Are you the MD of the radio station? Because we paid money and we have got a receipt. You see, if police has got particular venues they want us to go to, let's first finish the venues that we are planning to go to, because we can't be organizing a rally at Boma grounds, then police and the military is also organizing another rally for us somewhere else. Let's first finish our rallies. If they want us to be at some other venues and meet other people, we can come another time, but after we have finished our programs.
Tumanyi tibagezaako tusomooza tusindikagane nabo oba tulwanagane nabo wabbo ebyokozesa Erinnye bebamanyi naye tufubye okugoberera amateeka twagala ensi yonna erabe nti bapoliisi n'abamagye be bamenya amateeka ate ffe tugoberera amateeka neera tumanyi nti abantu baffe bajja kutuuka ekiseera benyiwe
kati kiki kyemuza
n'eshaka era tugenda kugoberera byonna bye twayogerako. Ttiimu y'abakulembeze baffe ng'ekulembeddwa Right Honorable Senyonyi ne Secretary General ne Deputy President bagenda ne basinkana police ne bateekawo obuwaayiro bungi nnyo bonna ne tubugoberera naye era still batulemeseza okubaana baffe ne Bundibujo. Tumanyi kye basinga okutya be bantu. What they fear most is the people. They don't want people to show support for change and tiredness for the regime. But we shall not stop, we shall proceed, and ultimately we shall reach where we want to reach.
Bobi Wine is not a rebel, he's a Ugandan. NUP is a political party which is also registered like any other political party. Why should you mistreat him when he comes here? We are all Ugandans. Yeah. If he's a rebel, declare that he's a rebel so that we should stop associating with him.